What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video here, detailing with Gary. So today I'm gonna just basically be doing kind of a 50-50 on this steering wheel. It's not so dirty, but I still kind of just want to get some of the dirt off. Previously I had to clean this part right here when I put the leather protectant. So if you guys haven't checked that video out, make sure to check it out. But right here I'm just gonna be, I see a little bit of some dirt and stuff. It's darker, so I'm just gonna be grabbing my piece of tape, 50-50, and then I'm probably just gonna tape it up like right there. And then I would just basically work in this area. I'm gonna grab my brush real quick, and then I'm gonna just show you guys the 50-50 and basically how to use it. So I'm gonna be using the leather cleaner with my brush. And then I'm gonna be leaving all these links down in the description down below so you guys can check them out for yourselves. And then I'm gonna just be wiping off the excess with my microfiber towel. Alright guys, so taking my Bristol brush and then my leather cleaner, I'm just gonna be spraying some kind of inside and the outside, and then just very little sprays, and then just basically just rubbing it inside here, and then on the outside. You guys wouldn't have to do the 50-50, you will just be cleaning it, but just for the video here I'm gonna just do the 50-50. So you could also use the leather cleaner, or you could use the interior cleaner, which I will be leaving both of those links down in the description down below so you guys can check that out. So already I could see that there's no more dirt, and then you can kind of see here, it's hard to tell, but you can see how it foams up a bit. So that's what's good about this product, I guess we could say. This would basically be plastic, but the leather cleaner, it cleans seats, so it could kind of basically clean this. But I would use the interior cleaner from Chemical Guys or any other interior cleaner. Now that basically we got that all right there, we're just gonna go one way here so the tape doesn't move. And then as we wipe away, we're just gonna be peeling off the tape here right now, and then showing you guys the difference between that clean surface, the nice and gray, compared to like the dirtier spot. And then we're just gonna finish doing this whole bottom of the steering wheel. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be peeling it, and as you can see, this top part right here is where we cleaned it, and then the bottom here from the horn is where we did not clean it. So you can see the difference and stuff. The top part is a nicer gray, and then that bottom not so much. And then right here is kind of about the same because my tape wasn't that long enough. But over here you could tell right here to the bottom is basically the dirty side. So basically, just real quick here, kind of leave it there so that way it doesn't run down. I just like to go in circles, kind of, and then on my edges I just like to go down just to get rid of all of that. And then just kind of basically work it back and forth. And then if you kind of have like a logo where there's grooves inside, just spray some on here. And then basically around their whole steering wheel. Your hands are probably hardly on the steering wheel unless you're stopped somewhere and kind of changing something like the volume and all that. But it's still nice to have it clean, a clean surface, because every time you touch it, it's always going to add up. Like all your oils and stuff are basically in your hands. You're touching things and all that. So then now that we got this steering wheel clean, I'm gonna show you guys and just basically show you guys the results in this piece right here. Alright guys, so as you see, it is nice and clean now. There's no more of that dirty spot from that 50/50. Now it looks nice and clean. The logo is nice and clean. And that's basically what we wanted to achieve here. So it came out pretty good. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video on cleaning that steering wheel. It wasn't that dirty, but you know, we kind of got it clean right there. But other than that, leave a comment down below on any futuristic videos you guys want to see. As always, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for more content that's coming soon. See you guys next time. Peace.